Hey, welcome everybody. We are here today to talk about the Equalize Digital Accessibility Checker plugin, which is going to be the tool that we at Lean Wisconsin are going to use on your websites to help you and help us monitor the accessibility of individual web pages as we go through this accessibility process. I am introducing it today a little bit early. Our timeline on this is tricky. We need to roll these out and we want you to get used to using these tools. The challenge is there are a lot of things on almost all of the websites that still need some structural fixes. And I am a little afraid that you're going to get frustrated through the process because you are going to see things that you just have no idea how to fix. And bear with us. This is going to be an interesting year. We just can't do everything all at the same time. So I want to put this out there. I want you to get used to seeing it. I want you to know where it is and what it is, and maybe have the opportunity to start playing with it on your site. But I also don't want you to feel like you're overwhelmed by what is here. And I want you to know that as your site gets remediated, the number of errors that you see are going to go away. The most errors that you see on your site are probably things that are going to be in your header and your footer, and they're going to appear on every page. So if you dive in and you see this and you use it enough and you scan your site and you scan your pages pretty regularly, you're going to really quick be able to be like, yep, I know that's not my problem. That's not my problem. That's not my problem. That's in the header. That's something that I can't deal with right now. And then once your site gets remediated, those errors will go away and will be much more able to hone in on specific errors that you can either deal with, or we're going to give you a tool as to how to address it with Lean Wisconsin. So that said, let's dive in. We're going to do today a brief review of what a plugin even is. If you've been, if maybe this is something that we've talked about and you've forgotten about, and you haven't had to think about plugins for a long while, fantastic. We'll go over how to install and activate the Equalize Digital Accessibility Checker plugin on your site. And then know that as the remediation happens, actually the big sign that your site has been remediated, besides the fact that you'll probably be told it, is that you will see in another plugin and another menu that says the Lean Wisconsin Accessibility Reporting plugin. And this will add a couple of features to the baseline digital accessibility checker plugin that gives us some more control and some more tools, both for you to be able to report errors that you don't know how to deal with to us so that we can come in and fix them. And also it gives us some reporting ability so that we can look at changes that have been made over time and see whether we're progressing towards accessibility, whether we're falling behind, some individual things like that. Then we've shown you how to install the plugin on your site, we'll look at how it actually works. Then we'll do two different things. We'll do the back end, how the accessibility checker plugin works on the back end, and we'll use a post for that. And then we'll do it on the front end of the site, which is the visual builder. And I think a lot of people will probably do their overall site scans from the front end. But if you're doing mainly adding new posts to your website, the back end is going to be the great place for that. And then we'll look at some common accessibility errors that you will likely see and do a little bit of like, work on this, ignore this, work on this, ignore this. So that's the main goal for today. So to get started, let me scroll up here. Oh, and actually I am going to get rid of that because we don't want to look at that right away. I'm going to put this in chat. So anybody here, you can go to the accessibility checker page on the training website and follow along from there too. We'll talk about, and so now we're going to jump down to like, what is a plugin and how do we install it? A reminder that a plugin on a WordPress website is an additional tool that the native basic WordPress code doesn't do. It's a content management platform. It's a very basic place for you to put a bunch of stuff for your website, but it doesn't come with a can opener and it doesn't come with a hand mixer and it doesn't come with a mix master and it doesn't come with baking sheets. So you have to add all of those tools to your website um, in order to do different pieces and make your website do different things. So, for example, those of you that schedule posts, that Publish Press Future is a plugin. If the way we access your website through the back end in order to be able to log into your website is a plugin. It's an invisible one to you. Your backup, the fact that your website gets backed up, is a plugin. It's an additional tool that isn't part of the standard WordPress code. We also have Divi, which is kind of like going out and buying an entire kitchen set, and then you don't have to add, you might still have to go get a meat thermometer, but maybe you have like an entire bundle of ladle and spoon and spaghetti scoop, and all of that stuff comes as one big set. That's kind of what Divi is it brings us a whole bunch of tools so we don't have to add a whole bunch of individual plugins, but we still need to add some additional tools to WordPress. That's basically all a plugin is. And in this case, Equalize Digital, which is one of the companies that works on web accessibility, has created a plugin that we decided we really like and can work with for our websites. And so they have created a plugin. And the basic idea behind the plugin is if you are logged into your site, let me just pull up a site here. I'm going to go to New Richmond homepage. And if you are logged in and you have this plugin installed, on the front end, you will see a little yellow circle with a laptop screen outlined in blue with a check mark on it. And that is your scanner. And that's an indication that the plugin is installed. And that's how you're going to check your accessibility from the front end of your site. So that's essentially what this is a tool. If there are instructions for what a plugin is and how to add a plugin to your site. And so that's linked here. So this is a 101 on adding plugins to your site. When you open this toggle, it walks you through step by step. I'm going to choose a website today. Let me see, who should I pick on? Who's in I'm going to do Balsam Lake. I see Rebecca. I'm trying to think of who on here hasn't gone. Actually, maybe Prescott. Do you guys have it? I don't think you have it in Prescott. So, Carissa, I'll do you. And is that okay?
Okay, that's okay.
Cool. Get some work done for you. Oh, no, I can't use you. You've already got it. Never mind. I kind of went through earlier trying to figure out who has it already, and my
Dresser
list.
does not have it.
Okay, dresser. Then we'll do that one. Um, my list of who has it is very limited. It's not correct. So let's go up to you are alphabetical. There you are. Let's do dresser. And I can do balsam lake too, but I just like, let's see. Let's go to. So if you are on your website and you go to plugins, and open the little, the one that has the little plug, like electric plug. And then you're going to go up top to add plugin. And we're going to search for, it should just come up as the problem is spelling accessibility. See, didn't even
Yeah,
do it.
that's a word.
Yep, checker. You don't even have to spell the whole thing out because I know what the icon looks like. It's this one. And so when you see the it's a very bright yellow circle with the computer on it and the check mark, then you just click install now. And it will say installed. Next step, there's actually 3 steps to installing a plugin. Besides searching for it, click install now, click activate. And then this is going to bring you to the landing page. Um, for the accessibility checker, we don't, you can, if you see this, just X out of it because obviously we're already getting the emails about it because we're installing it across all the websites. Um, and this is your landing page. We're not going to upgrade to Pro because we'll add our features that we need later. What it will show you is that it creates a new menu over, or a new item in your menus on the black bar on the left-hand side. There really isn't any setup that you need to do. The settings that we're using are your basic settings. What we will do later, and I'm going to quick show you this on, okay, I'll go to my dashboard. What will happen later when your website has been remediated is you will see down here, um, oh, where did he hide it? Got so many things going on here. The main thing is this ask for review, but there is another plugin. Oh, I know what it is. When you open the accessibility checker, notice the difference here is now there is some additional things. There's site scan, there are site notes, site ignores, ask for review that are in addition to that basic, what we see on the dresser site. Um, I keep doing this to myself. Oh, there you are. So you just have the basic one that, and this is what everybody who's installing it will just have the accessibility checker settings and upgrade to Pro. And if you are, reopen close tab. If you already have the full thing and the remediation done, you will see these other options. And then you will also see a little envelope that says ask for review. We will talk a lot more about what this is down the road. But basically, when you come up against an error that you can't figure out what to do with, you can edit what's in here and say which page it is, what was modified, and what the error that you're seeing is, and then submit an accessibility request for review. And that will go to our help desk, and you don't have to worry, like, I'm stuck. It's telling me that I have a broken, or I have, um, that it's telling me that I have a contrast error. I've tried everything I can do. I don't know how to do it. And then you hit submit. That will come later. For now, we're working with just the raw basic plugin. So there's one other piece to the adding a plugin. I would like you to go back to plugins and look for the accessibility checker, make sure it is there, and then come over and click on enable auto updates. So the steps really are search for the add plugin, search for plugin, install, activate, then go back to plugins and click enable updates, and that will keep all of your plugins on your website up to date and running well. So that's step one of this whole process is making sure that you have installed the plugin. If you run into any issues with that, don't hesitate to send us an email to the website help@librarieswin.org. That will get to us and we can help you with that. And again, as your site is remediated, this other Lean Wisconsin accessibility reporting plugin will be added and you will see that ask for review envelope. So let's take a look at how this works on on the back end and on the front end of your site. So in the tutorial, this will break down some of the steps for you, but I'm going to go ahead and pull up, sign into our demo site and come into posts. So I was in here yesterday and I made a new post, and actually I updated a post that we had done quite a while ago on how to make a post. So when you are creating a new post on your website, and many people will, this is the majority of the work that they do on their website, is they come into the back end, they click add post, And then you have this space where you put in your title, and then you enter your library news content down here. You add a category that you want it to publish under, and you're going to add a featured image. I'm just going to grab something in here that might be a nice featured image. Let's see what in here. We'll just use this. No, I'm going to use one that's in here. If you upload your file, what I need to do is make sure that the alt text is filled in. So because I'm using this one that already exists in here, this one already has alt text saying the Lean Wisconsin logo with an orange L and a blue W and an I and on a white background. And so I'm going to set that as my featured image, and that will pop up here. Now, when I scroll down here, notice that I have the accessibility checker as one of the widgets in my main space. So if you're familiar with what your WordPress dashboard and post editor looks like, you have your title, you have your permalink, you have your content, you have your publishing square, you have your featured image. These are all things, categories, and maybe I don't know if you're using tags. This website doesn't have the publish press future, but now down here I have the accessibility checker. If this is in my way, let's say I want to have the post excerpt to be more accessible to me, just a pro tip is that you can move any of this around on your dashboard. If I want my tags to get out of the way and I want to move them out of the way, you can either click this little chevron caret to move it around, or you can click and drag it wherever you want it. So you can arrange your editor space however you like it. But my main thing that I'm concerned about right now is that I have my accessibility checker scanning my post, and I'm going to save my draft. And as I save my draft, it will rescan my post and look for any errors. And now it's going to reload, and voila, I have 100% pass checks. But, look what I did. I have a title, I have content, and I have a featured image that I know has alt text. There really isn't too much here that I can screw up. And as long as I've done this, oh, no, it actually popped up with an item that needs review. This is where on the back end, I can take a look and see what is going on. Just a note while we're in here and we're looking at this ninth grade reading level, we are not being held to a reading level standard in our work. That is a triple A standard. So we are at the WCOG 2.1 double A standard requirement. There may be cases where you want to meet a AAA standard. A AAA standard would be having a simplified summary of your content if it is too complicated. Libraries are not being held to this, and most of your reading content is going to be fine for the most part. But it's something to be aware of. So then we have one item that needs review, and I want to see what that is. What I do from here is I click on this accessibility analysis, and it is going to show me a list. As long as there's a green check mark, unfortunately, my eye goes to this and I see the critical, 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 and I panic a little bit because it says the word critical. But notice there's a 0 items here and there's a green check mark in the front. I kind of wish the check mark was a little bigger and a little bolder. What we do have is a caution sign with a medium severity concern, and there's one of them, and it says there's a hidden ARIA label. This is where I don't want to scare you. This is the point at which you're like, I don't even understand what this means, and I don't know what to do about it, and I'm going to give up on scanning any of my pages. And I don't want that to be the case. I also want you to know that sometimes 100% is not what we're going for. It's not that every page is going to always be 100%, but to understand what you can manage and what you can make changes for in order to make sure your content is as accessible as possible. When I click on this and I see a whole bunch of code here that really doesn't mean anything to me, but it does say that it is in the footer. So whatever this is referring to, it is in the footer of my website. I am going to tell you pretty much across the board, unless you are in there to making changes to your header and footer on a regular basis for whatever reason, until your site is fully remediated, there are going to be errors in your header and footer, point blank. There just will be. And it may be that there always will be an error that carries over, but it's not going to affect the functionality of your website. So right now I can see that this is in the footer. I have not had, that means I haven't done anything wrong with how I created this post. But I want to see, because honestly, this code doesn't mean anything to me. I want to see where this error is and just be able to understand it. This is where you have the option here to click on View on Page. And this is going to open that front end view of your post or page. So notice now I have my web page, and what it does is immediately jump down to outlining the object that is in question and has a concern. It tells you what the warning is, that there's one of one, and then it tells you like what is going on here and gives some fixing suggestions. And then it has the full accessibility panel here. There's only one error, so there's nothing that I need to go. Actually, there's no errors. There's one warning and no errors. There's no reason to go forward and back. We will do that in a minute. What this is, what this is saying is it's calling out the Google Map, and some of you have Google Maps in your footers. What Brendan has done on this site and will likely do on any other site that you keep a Google Map is he has hidden it from screen readers because the Google Map isn't going to do a person using a screen reader much good, and he's offered an alternative way of finding out that information. So it might be a link out to Google. Um, what it actually says is that the iframe is missing. It's it's just saying that that is not available and that a screen reader won't be able to see it. Um, and it if there is functionality to it, that should not be hidden from a screen reader. So this, again, this is the type of thing that in theory, we would be able to down the road take this and hide this warning or this warning from you so that you don't have to worry about seeing it and knowing to ignore it. And you may just learn over time that Google Map, ignore it. So that's the basic thing is if you are, and I'm going to go back to my post list, if you are creating posts that have, so it loads, loading, loading some more. There we go. Oh, okay. I'm back to my post. And I'm going to show you an example of a post, this new accessible post here. I have a title, I have a slug, I have a post about accessibility, and it says these are the features of an accessible post. I have a title, which is my H1. I have some basic paragraph style text. I have real images that are not images of text. Notice this is just a picture. It is not a bunch of words within a picture. Um, and it has descriptive alternative text. If I come in here and I click on this, image details, it will actually, it doesn't have great alternative text. This is something else I was testing, but it was nope, I don't want to say image of. It was like interior of a library with wooden shelves full of books and a woman wearing a backpack reading a book. Um, I'm just going to make that as the alternative text. It has alternative text. It has a featured image, which also has alternative text. And the descriptive links that say more than click here, read more, download. And if I had more complex content, then I would be using proper heading formatting. And if that is something that that you need to review, there are training materials on how to use proper heading formatting within a post. And then you can learn more about creating accessible website content here, and this takes you back to the training page. So this post here actually passed 100% of the checks. It does have a 12th grade reading level, but that's okay because of the content we're doing. So when I scan this one, it's good. That's the back end scanner. I can keep an eye on it as I review my content. Now, let's take a look at the front end and a full web page. So let's say you're going to take a day and you want to take a look at your page and see where you're at. I'm going to pick on, I already warned Christy that I'm going to pick on Pepin Public Library because she has the accessibility checker plugged in, added to her website, but has not had that full remediation done to the site. So there will still be some errors that just exist. So what happens when somebody comes in and remediates a site is overall there are going to be a bunch of errors that, especially on a homepage, this just know that your menus, your headers, and your homepage are likely going to have a lot of errors and they're coding area errors that you probably won't know how to deal with. But there are some things that you might be able to deal with. So let's take a look here. I am logged in. So as long as you're logged in as an admin, again, you have the little icon down in the corner and you can hit that and it will begin scanning your site. And it tells us that we have 13 errors. Errors are more serious and 17 warnings detected. So if I want to take a look at what's on here, I can just go previous and next, and it will highlight the object that is jumping out. We're just going to take a really fast cruise through a bunch of very likely or very common errors and talk about what we can do. This is flagging the welcome as a possible heading. So what the checker is doing is it's looking at the page and it says, oh, this text is formatted as large type text. It's intended to draw the eye. Maybe it's supposed to be a heading, but it hasn't been tagged as a heading. This is a warning. It indicates a potential error, but it may well be that the word welcome is not a problem at all. And in this case, it is not an error because welcome is not the heading. The Pepin Public Library is the H1, but it's just auto detecting. This is why the checker is not always going to be 100%. It does require some human judgment. So number two, it says a slider is present. This is not saying that there is something wrong with this slider. It's saying that sliders in general can be problematic and there are things that need to be addressed. So the element is a slider or a carousel. Because many accessibility issues with sliders require manual review, this warning appears anytime a slider is detected on a post or a page. In this case, this slider has already been remediated. So instead of auto sliding between post, you see 4 individual posts and you have the manual controls here that you can scroll through them. It's just saying this might be a problem, but in this case, it's a warning. It's not actually an issue. This now is saying is this element is not visible. Try to disabling styles, but it is also talking about a slider is present. What this is talking about is it gets down into the functions of a slider where there are slides that are detected as being on the page, but they're not currently visible. So there are going to be some things that pop up and you're like, oh, the element is invisible. You can try to click on show code and scroll down and see like, oh, is there something here that makes sense to me? And you can also do this thing where disable styles and you just get this um, raw page. And what you do, and sure enough, what it's flagging in this case is one of the posts within the slider that is not currently visible. So again, a lot of this is kind of judgment. It's part of a slider. It's a warning. It's not an error. Now I can go back to enabling my slider and click through until I get to my next big error. This is something we can deal with. In this case, we have link opens in a new window or a tab, and you have 1,000 books before kindergarten, and it is just giving us the warning that this item is opening in a new tab. Again, it's a warning, but a best practice that we have is now to open everything in the same window or tab. So Christy could come in here and change all of these that are opening in a tab, in a new tab, to open in the same window, and she'll cut down on these warnings. So that is something that is an easy change for us to do. Duplicative alternative text. This is a tough one. And I'm struggling with blurbs, especially seem to have issues with alternative text where it seems to think that the title of the blurb and the alternative text for the blurb are the same thing and it's repetitive. We need to review a best practice for this and this is the type of thing that when your website gets remediated by Brendan or whomever we have doing the work, that will get taken care of for you. Again, we have the same errors. Link opens in a new window or tab. You can fix that one. The duplicative alternative text, we'll flip by it for now. Image empty alternative text, double check and make sure that again, the blurbs are acting a little weird as they are, but this is what you are going to see a lot of, and it is up to you now if you are on your website and adding images to make sure that you do have the alternative text added um, to your page. Something you can do if you are working through this, I found pretty handy, is I can edit the page in one tab and have the scanner open in another. So I can come down to, I'm seeing like, oh, it's the Meet Libby. I'm going to let this load. Let's see, there's Meet Libby. And if I come into my image and I click on my image and maybe I can find it, it's probably an older one. There, Meet Libby. There is there is alternative text here. Blurbs are somewhat problematic, and I'm actually thinking there might be a piece of code that we have to add to make sure blurb, because this has come up more than one site has had this question. I put the alt text in, it's still saying no alt text. Double check that it's there. If it's there, go ahead and ignore it for now, and we will work through that. Incorrect heading order. This may be something you can or you can't fix yourself. Blurbs, I was saying this in the 201 prior to this, accordions, toggles, blurbs, they all come with a default setting that just picks a heading level, and a lot of times it's heading 5 or something, and that may not make any sense on your page. So when you look at this and you're like, oh, I need to look at my page and come in and understand and change my items to match that heading. So let's see, explore the digital library is my heading 2, and that's already there, which is fantastic. Now I come down to Meet Libby and I go into design and my title text, and look, it's an H4 because we just had an H2 above it. Accessibility wants an H3. So I'm going to have to come in here and change my heading level here to H3. And then when I save it, I am also going to warn you, in theory, you should be able to save it, let it do its thing, refresh this page, and rescan the page. And look, oh, good. It got rid of the, I think it got rid of the error, maybe. Sometimes I found caching becomes an issue. Yep, it decided that the H3 was all it needed. Um, I will make a change and then I will refresh and it will still think that there's an error there, even though like the ones I was struggling with yesterday were link opens in new tab. I changed them all and it still gave me that warning. There is sometimes you need to come up here and go to cookies and site data and manage your data, and you need to delete the caching information, the data, in order for the scan to get a clean scan. So just be warned of that. Again, we have image empty alternative text in blurbs. This is something you're not going to be able to do with the missing iframe title. This is a piece of code that we need to add. Their iframes are a little bit the piece of code that's different. So this will be part of your remediation. So anytime you see a missing iframe title, for now, skip over it. Eventually, what we would want you to do is report that back to us. Link opens in new window or tab. Again, you can make that change. Empty link. Um, this might be something that you can fix. This might be something that you need to report or just wait for us. Um, it's it really depends on context to know how to fix this one. So we'll go over specific fixes, but just know that this is a warning that you may or may not be able to deal with, and you may need to report. Linked image has empty alternative text. Check your alternative text again. Link opens a new window or tab. Possible heading. So again, we're back to it is seeing text that is formatted in a particular way. Maybe you want it to be a heading, maybe you don't. It's a warning. Incorrect heading error. Order error. Notice this is an actual error. So very similar to what we just did above, you can come in and double check the headings styles on these to make sure that they are not in conflict with the and and if you need a review on how to format text so that it looks different without having a heading, that is another training tool that we have. Saying that the Facebook is opening in a different, it's opening in a new window or tab. And then, oh, and then it says an empty paragraph tag. These within modules can be sometimes the trickiest. I will talk about that in a different context because it's easier to pick it up there. So that's the Pepin homepage. Really not bad. It just wants you to see that there's a lot of errors going on or warnings going on that you probably can ignore, but you really should be keying in on alternative text and links that open in other tabs. I'm going to jump over to Hudson. Sarah's on here, so this is great. Um, and the main reason I want to, again, Hudson is kind of my perfect example for things that you can fix, things that maybe you can't fix. There's just a variety of stuff going on here. I'm going to refresh this page and start from scratch. But there's some good examples here. So I'm going to load the accessibility checker. And let's see. Warning number one is insufficient color contrast. And again, this kind of gets hard to see what the warning is referring to. Sometimes I forward and back until I see that pink square show up. It is essentially is flagging these bunch of errors here are going to flag that this top bar is orange and has white text on it. Orange is a really tricky color. Orange and yellow are really, really tricky colors. Um, I would recommend that you sit down with the contrast checker and play with that. Unfortunately, with orange, a lot of times you almost have to get it all the way dialed down to brown in order for that contrast to pass the test. Um, there might be some other methods we can use here, like maybe you keep the orange bar, but you put some color behind the text so that each text block is almost like a button, but it's not. It just has it. I trust you, or trust us, and we can always come in here. Yeah, and get have the staff. But this is a really good time to be like, hey, dudes, we've got this warning. We have to make a change. So here's some options. Like you can have already sat down with that contrast checker and been like, we can do this orange color that's almost a brown. We can do a green. Here's which one do you like? Because unfortunately, until you have that, you've got that little thing that's popping up there, and you can say until that error is cleared, because it is an error, that one. And so this is a good talking point with the directors and with marketing staff and with yourself to be like, okay, we really do need to make a change. So that's most of the stuff there. Again, we've got link opens a new window or tab. We have discussed all of us. Yeah, so it's technically a header. What you could do for us, Sarah, is you could choose the color that you want back there. Either that or we're going to come in and we're going to make a judgment call and you're going to hate us. Or, you can leave it to us to kind of make a judgment call. Or we can work on it in a 201 and we can pick on something. So pick a color and I can help you with it. If you feel confident making the change yourself, great. If not, we're more than happy to help you. Um, Opening a new tab, we will discuss this to ad nauseum to death. I think at this point, I'm just going to say probably keep everything opening in the same window, unless you feel really, really strongly that it needs to not. But try to keep things opening in the same window. Empty button errors. This is probably something you're going to have to leave for us to fix. And that like just even knowing where it is and why the Facebook icon is throwing an empty button error and where to put that it gets tricky. Empty link, ARIA is hidden. Again, ARIA hidden is one of those things where it's already hidden from a screen reader. Should it be or should it not be? I'm going to flip through to errors. Empty button is definitely an error to deal with. Empty links. What I want to show for sure, though, getting down here. Okay. There's some weirdness happening and you can't even really see where you're like, what's going on here? And as I scroll, you've got these things that are just floating. You're like, what the heck is this? Took me a little while. This is flagging items in your drop-down menu. And because your header rolls with the content of your website, the drop-down menu is rolling down and the errors are hanging with it. So the error that you're getting for the more catalog, and it actually says the element is not visible because it's not visible. It's saying that the link for the more catalog is opening in a new window. So that's why you're getting that warning. Again, the same with the book lists and this one is saying it's a link to a PDF. But basically the idea here is that these weird errors that are just kind of scrolling all over the page with you are actually in your header and they're in this case, in your menu. So it actually is referring to items in your menu that are pulling those errors. Sometimes finding the error is the hardest thing. If you get really frustrated, you can go into your backside. I demonstrated this with a blog, but this in a post, this totally still exists on your back end. And here you have that exact same accessibility checker back here. And you have your accessibility analysis. And sometimes you can see all of the color contrast issues all in one spot. You can see all of the incorrect heading order all in one spot. And all of the links to PDFs, like this could be a really handy one where you're like, I just want to see all the PDFs that are linked on this page. And here I have, and I can read it, and I'm like, okay, we have a circulation PDF, we have a citizen program proposal form PDF. And if you need to see where it is, you can go back and click on that view on page, and it will jump you between the front and back. And these are the PDFs that it is flagging. Just a couple other things. Again, it's the color contrast, orange on white, white on orange. It just really doesn't like that, so it is going to flag all of those colors. Um, Here, empty paragraph tag. This is one that is frustrating because I know I do it and I know why people do it, but it's going to be something that has to get changed. There's a frustration here that you can't control the spacing within a text box. And so, and this may actually be just a mistake. In my case, the last one I did my scan on the post that I just did, and I came up with a bunch of errors on this brand new post. Look at this. This is empty paragraph tag, empty paragraph tag, empty paragraph tag, empty paragraph tag. What is happening here is I copied and pasted and entered a bunch of text, and then I didn't delete some extra spaces at the end of a text box. And that actually triggers a warning because if you get too many, come on, load. If you get too many of these in a row, it will, back and scan. If you get too many of these in a row, it will actually read that aloud. It will say paragraph, 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 or it will say break, break, break. So if I look at the code for this section here and I go down to this, I will see there's these empty returns. And I don't want the screen reader reading that out loud to somebody. So I can just delete those out. So again, back on Hudson, that's what's getting called out here is the space between the room reservation guidelines and the rules of use is that there's an empty space in there. It may be accidental and it may be something that you're actually trying to create some space in there. Use padding and use the Divi tools for that, and we can help you address that. I think everything else here is pretty much just and this is, I think, another empty paragraph tag, empty heading tag. So again, deleting out any unused spaces in there. And again, an empty paragraph tag. Again, one of the big things I just wanted to call out for anybody who's on their site and they see these weird things floating, it's because there are things up in the menu that it is flagging. Um, Yay, got to pick on Hudson. I did, and these are things we're going to find across libraries. Let me just double check my notes here because I had a few other errors that I wanted to look at. Um, some fun alt text errors. This library's already been through the remediation process, so really they do not have many warnings at all anymore because their content got fixed. So this is kind of like what it will look like eventually, believe it or not. Your sites will look good. But this image has long alternative text. If your text gets too wordy and too long and everything, it will throw a warning. I've even seen ambiguous, it doesn't seem to happen reliably, but I have seen ambiguous alternative text for when it is something as generic as library building. Like it isn't informative enough. And I don't know I think it's still a little sketchy as to when that gets triggered, but you may see something like long alternative text. Another error, PDFs, we talked about that. But another error that you probably will not have on your pages, I hope, is, let me scan this quick. Installing a plugin. I was really cute back in the day when, many, many years ago, like in 2024, or when was this? Yeah, 2024, November 2024. I made, nope, I have to find it now. Adding a new plugin. I made a nice little animated GIF showing you how to install a plugin. So if you did not pay attention earlier and you want to come back and do this, there is a really nice animated GIF. However, guess what? It's an animation, and animations are no longer allowed on websites. So I just want you to see this warning. It's a fun one. And it says that replace it with a static image, or make sure there is a way to for somebody to stop it and play it. This does not have controls for that. This is not that cool of a tool. Or you can dismiss it, or I can just decide, you know what? If I decide it's accessible, it also needs some pretty hefty alt text in order to work. So chances are this is just going to have to go away. It was a kind of a nice feature because it does walk things through, but unfortunately it's not going to work for accessibility purposes. Finally, some of those more, I won't say rare situations. These are things that, because I have a training website, you see a lot more of. This is a video, and it's giving me an error that it's missing a transcript. So from now on, when I post videos, I'm going to have to start, and I need to do this soon. I need to pull that entire transcript and post it. And I also need to, it just says a video is present, and it will require manual review to make sure that it is captioned and all of the other things that are required. So if you have additional features on your websites, if you have videos, if you have audio, these do also require special handling, and the accessibility checker will catch that. There's a lot more we could talk about. We could dive into some specifics of things, but we are up on an hour, and I do want to make sure that I'm going to get this posted, get this out there. I want to make sure that you know that this is a tool for you to start playing with, but please don't be afraid of it, and don't let it put you off. We will be doing a lot more because this is just going to become part and parcel to your website life. And as we roll all of this remediation out, um, this is just something you are going to begin to see. And hopefully over time, it looks a lot more like what we see on our standard websites or on our website that has already been remediated. Um, that said, I've noticed that it's tagging more things that it notices as items of concern. So we may find over time that it's actually picking up on more stuff. We may have to learn to ignore things a little bit more, but over time, your website should start throwing fewer and fewer and fewer errors, and eventually get to the point that when you're adding something, if you need help, you can ask for review, or you've got the system down. So that's what I have to share today. Thank you for your time.